18.
18.
18.
Hausputz.
House cleaning.
House cleaning.
Heute ist Samstag.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday.
Heute haben wir Zeit.
We have time today.
We have time today.
Heute putzen wir die Wohnung.
We are cleaning the apartment today.
We are cleaning the apartment today.
Ich putze das Bad.
I'm cleaning the bathroom.
I am cleaning the bathroom.
Mein Mann wäscht das Auto.
My husband is washing the car.
My husband is washing the car.
Die Kinder putzen die Fahrräder.
The children are cleaning the bicycles.
The children are cleaning the bicycles.
Oma gießt die Blumen.
Grandma is watering the flowers.
Grandma is watering the flowers.
Die Kinder räumen das Kinderzimmer auf.
The children are cleaning up the children's room.
The children are cleaning up the children's room.
Mein Mann räumt seinen Schreibtisch auf.
My husband is tidying up his desk.
My husband is tidying up his desk.
Ich stecke die Wäsche in die Waschmaschine.
I am putting the laundry in the washing machine.
I am putting the laundry in the washing machine.
Ich hänge die Wäsche auf.
I am hanging up the laundry.
I am hanging up the laundry.
Ich bügele die Wäsche.
I'm ironing the clothes.
I am ironing the clothes.
Die Fenster sind schmutzig.
The windows are dirty.
The windows are dirty.
Der Fußboden ist schmutzig.
The floor is dirty.
The floor is dirty.
Das Geschirr ist schmutzig.
The dishes are dirty.
The dishes are dirty.
Wer putzt die Fenster?
Who washes the windows?
Who washes the windows?
Wer saugt Staub?
Who does the vacuuming?
Who does the vacuuming?
Wer spült das Geschirr?
Who does the dishes?
Who does the dishes?